Landmine Squat. The target muscles are the quadriceps femoris and gluteus maximus, colored red. The main difference between landmine squat and the full squat is that in landmine, the center of gravity moves forward towards the bar so that in standing position the body leans on the bar. The quadriceps femoris muscle extends the knee. The gluteus maximus extends the thigh at the hip joint. The hamstrings assist in hip extension. The gastrocnemius and soleus plantar-flex the foot. As in full squat, we place the foot into slight external rotation. The knees move in a straight line towards the feet. Common mistakes: holding the barbell too far from the body. When the barbell is far from the body, the lower we go, the more we feel the load on the back and shoulder girdle. Solution: hold the barbell close to the chest throughout the movement. Lean the body forward towards the barbell.